Hello everyone. So today in this video I'm going to show you like from framework for fertilizer sale app in the live, like how we can book the fertilizer, urea and other fertilizers. First we need to select the state. So once we select the state, so we need to enter the other number or form ID. I'm going with the other number. So once we enter the other number, it will send an OTP to the other registered mobile. We need to enter the OTP, and then we need to verify. So once we verify these details, so it will automatically shows the uh, survey numbers which are associated with this other number. Here you can see the I can see the two survey numbers. For those survey numbers you need to select the uh, crop for that one. So you can click here and select the I am selecting here the cotton. You can select that option and then confirm the crop of the crop. Similar way, if you have any other survey numbers, for those also you need to select. So I selected one of them and now I am choosing the second one. You can see the first one is being selected as cottons, and now I am selecting the next one. So for this also I am going to select the cotton because most of the crops I am yielding with cotton only. Okay. So now we need to book the urea for these crops, right? So based on this crop, so the urea will show automatically. I mean the fertilizers will show automatically. So I'm exploring where I can find out the that option. I can see the my form is the best option to book the app. So I'm trying very different options because earlier I was not able to find those. I'm just finding. I'm clicking on the my form now. So once you click on the my form, you can see the two survey numbers along with the crop it is selected, and then I'm clicking on the my form. So you need to select again the survey number so that it will shows the appropriate fertilizer applicable to these particular survey numbers. Here you can see the urea, NPK, DAP and MOP, right? So I'm selecting one of them and then I'm proceeding. So since this is showing the all the fertilizers being selected at most the maximum number which are eligible. So to remove this one you need to click on the minus symbol, so it will remove. So you need to click until 0 so that you can remove that particular one if you don't want. So currently I need only the urea one, so that is 3 bags that is being selected. The other fertilizers I removed. So for urea also you have the two option, sulfur coated. I am checking that one, but there is no option available for the in my nearby location. So I am choosing the other type of the urea, that is neem coated urea. So once you click on this 3 bags, it will shows the nearby sellers, right? So these are the nearby sellers. So you can select any one of them. So then you can proceed next. Yeah. So here I selected one of the seller and then it is asked for the mobile number. You can give the any mobile number, not only from the other. So you can give any mobile number to receive the or message like it's a booking is happened. Yeah. See, now done. Now successfully we booked the urea. You can download the QR code or share the QR code. Yeah. Even if you go again, you can see under history part, so you can see the all the booking details. This you need to show to the seller. So once you go and show this to seller, they will give the actual urea bags.